Hey guys, how's it going? Well, we picked up a truck. Yeah, dirt cheap. 95 Ford. Yeah, we cleaned it up. Not too bad. She's pretty solid. Yeah, we're gonna make it the shop truck. Yeah, Enforcer. She was an old farm truck. I'm gonna do some brakes. Took some stickers off. Yeah, gonna black it out. Real good shape. Like mint inside, man. Look at that seat. She's a stick. 5 speed. 4 speed, sorry. Yeah. I've drove it a couple times. It's got the inline 6 in it. 4.9. Pretty peppy. Yeah, the new shop truck. Maybe drive it this winter. Yeah. Good old Ford truck. Yeah. Might swap the power plant out next summer. We're thinking about putting a Chevy motor in it. Something different, eh? Yeah. Kind of cool old truck. 96. You don't see many of them. This good a shape. Yeah, just walking around looking at it. Just mint, man. I was sitting in a guy's barn. It was a barn truck. It didn't go anywhere around. Hasn't even got 100,000 K on it. 105 or something. Little chromey wheels on it. Michelin's. Farm truck. Maybe that's what we'll call it. Yeah. Nice, eh? Surprises me every time I look at it. We're getting there.